Welcome to Module 3. Now that you've chosen your first high-value use case, it's time to build the brains behind your personal AI system. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They jump straight into prompting without giving their AI system anything meaningful to work with. Let's fix that. Think of building your own AI system and then talking to it like working with a junior colleague. If you want them to perform brilliantly, you need to give them some help. So, give it trusted reference material. Teach it your preferences and best practices. Clarify how it should think and speak on yours and your company's behalf. Otherwise, it's guessing. And guessing leads to generic fluff or incorrect answers. You'll build two kinds of resources to make your personalized system. External best practice resources. That's industry frameworks, for example, Bloom's taxonomy for learning design. Role-specific tips, how-to guides, gold standard examples. And internal context materials. That's your own notes and preferences. Past work samples that you know work well. Values, tone of voice, goals. This mix of both internal and external gives your AI credibility and the uniqueness of you and the task that you're working on. So here's what I included in my Learn AI course companion system. In terms of external expertise, that was the Bloom's taxonomy overview and some chunking guidelines for breaking up content. Slide templates from past courses that I'm happy with. Notes on learner attention span and engagement. And my own course brain summary, what Learn AI is, why it matters, and how I like to approach helping people upskill in AI. That last one, your personal brain summary, is so important. It's how you infuse your voice and purpose into this system that you're building. So now it's your turn. Start by collecting, say 5 to 10 of the most useful pieces of content in your chosen domain. That could be frameworks, guides, how-tos, and your own notes. A really good first step is to run a deep research task using ChatGPT or Gemini. Something like, please create a report summarizing global best practices and expert advice for your chosen topic. Include frameworks, common pitfalls, examples of excellence, and relevant citations. That will return to you a strong, structured foundation, and it helps you build from quality, not just convenience. Then you can further use AI to help you chunk any long documents into labeled sections. It's important if you're saving down separate documents to tag each file clearly. For example, engaging slide tips or feedback examples. And always finish by writing a summary document in your own voice. What is this system for? What kind of help do you want from it? And why does it matter? Large language models, or LLMs, can sometimes struggle with huge text blocks. So it's sensible to try and split your materials into bite-sized pieces. You can create separate files by theme or use case. Within documents, make sure you're using headings and bullet points. Label each file clearly and logically. Tips like this makes it easier for your AI system to reference the right material at the right time, reducing the risk of hallucinations or losing focus. Once you've built your personalized AI brain, you will have a curated, meaningful library of reference material for that particular task, a tone and values compass to guide those outputs, and a system that's already smarter for your context because it knows what you're trying to achieve and why, and it thinks more like you. In Module 4, we'll explore how to infuse your voice and tone even more deeply, and decide when and how to write tailored system instructions. Let's keep going.